मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले, मेरा कजिन है, उसकी डॉटर है, सो उसने पब्लिकली अपने पापा को हिट कर दिया। और एक बार नहीं, जैसे वो उसको प्यार से समझा रहा है, मत करो बेटा मत करो, वो मारती जा रही है, जोर से मारती जा रही है। अब पेरेंट को गुस्सा भी आ रहा है, पर उसको पता है बच्ची 3 साल की है, वो समझ भी नहीं रही है। ऐसी सिचुएशन में व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज दिस अ साइन ऑफ पुअर पेरेंटिंग, या व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग? नॉट जस्ट हिटिंग, आई थिंक चिल्लाना पब्लिक में, चीजें फेंकना, थ्रोइंग अ टैंट्रम।
So again, tantrums can be a part of normal growing up in the toddler phase, because by 3 years, of course, many kids, because they are able to verbalize and अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं, अपना emotional expression वगैरह आ जाता है, but especially between 1 to 2 years में तो they are not able to speak.
एक्सप्रेस, या
So they have huge, so we always say this 2 years के they are called 2 to 3 में उनको हम teenagers बुलाते हैं,
टेरिबल
because they are just like teenagers.
अच्छा,
That's why we call them teenagers.
ओके।
So because the thing is they have lot of fluctuation, they have huge emotions, so they feel the regulation, the impulse control is very poor in them. They are still developing.
मतलब इतने छोटे छोटे इंस्टेंसेस होते हैं कि पापा आप हंस क्यों रहे हो, आप जोर से बात मत करो,
हाँ.
आप बात ही मत करो, और उस पे मार रहे हैं, चीजें फेंक रहे हैं।
What is very important is to know the difference between whether this is normal or abnormal. So number one is the age factor, and the second thing is that the key is in staying calm, because गुस्सा तो बहुत आता है
बहुत
and you get judged कि भाई बच्चे को संभालना तो आता नहीं है, बाहर आ जाते हैं,
Yeah.
घर में रहो.
Yeah.
So parents feel कि भाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग माई जॉब properly.
एंड आई थिंक ऐसा हम सबने भी किसी ना किसी के साथ जरूर ऐसे जज किया, बिकॉज व्हेन
Of course.
वी आर इन अ पब्लिक स्पेस, फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग प्लेन में हैं और किसी का बच्चा जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहा है, हर कोई उसे देखकर जज करता ही है कि यार अपने बच्चे को संभाल।
हाँ, तो one of the key things is to understand that toddlers are fond of routines. For them, change is very, very hard. So especially जब ये public place में, like you were talking about your cousin, when there are so many people, that's where they react like that more. So the tantrums worsen. So you will see in malls there is बच्चा roll कर रहा है floor पे कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, because they don't know better. And also they are still developing empathy. Empathy is कि मैं, if I hit somebody, I know I'm going to hurt, so I won't hit. Or if I pinch, so kids do all these things, बाल खींचना मम्मी के, काट लेना, मारना, ये सब करते हैं बच्चे. लेकिन इस फेज में क्या होता है उनके लिए, वो और कई बार करके हंसते भी हैं देख के, क्योंकि उनको समझ में नहीं आता है कि इससे किसी को तकलीफ हो रही है. तो बच्चे को एक तो लिटरली आपको सिखाना पड़ता है, जैसे कि कैसे आप टच करो. तो आई टेल देम दैट, टीच देम कि, एंड यू कांट डू दिस व्हेन एट दैट मोमेंट, व्हेन अ सिचुएशन लाइक दैट हैपेंस वेयर द चाइल्ड इज एक्चुअली हिटिंग. तो सबसे पहले तो यू हैव टू स्टे काम, बिकॉज आप जितना ज्यादा रिएक्ट करोगे, सो इट एस्केलेट्स फ्रॉम द अदर साइड, because we have a concept called mirror neurons. The more overwhelmed and reactive a parent is, the child escalates. And the moment you calm down, that's why I teach mothers those techniques to calm down and not react at that moment, and instantly you will see the child as well coming down to your level. And you don't sit and teach at that time when the child is in that overwhelmed state. लेकिन अलग से आप बच्चे को सिखा सकते हो कि भाई ऐसे नहीं मारना है, इसको ऐसे छूना है, क्योंकि दूसरा बच्चा आता है घर में, तो द चाइल्ड विल डू ऑल दैट. आई हैव सो मेनी किड्स because of sibling rivalry, then go pinch the newborn, hit it and do all that, because they don't understand, and they feel that they are not getting that attention and love which they deserve. It's in their perception, it's not true. And it's not because it's the parent is not a good enough or not doesn't love their child, or is poor, it's poor parenting. None of those things are there.
Right.
So that is more for judgment from outside. But once parents have this awareness that it is part of normal development, it's not going to last forever. And उनका बच्चा ही कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि सबके बच्चे ऐसे ही होते हैं. तो ये चीजें समझना बहुत जरूरी. एंड रोल मॉडलिंग, पेरेंट्स हम लोग भी तो चिल्लाते हैं ना. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट वी हैव टू बी परफेक्ट, बट हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि जब हम चिल्लाते हैं तो वी डोंट रिपेयर इट लेटर, और बच्चे को वो नहीं समझ में आता है
हम्म,
कि करने के बाद में उसको कैसे रिपेयर किया जा सकता है।
राइट,
तो ये सब चीजें धीरे धीरे सिखा सकते
सिखानी
हैं
पड़ती है।
अकॉर्डिंग टू एज।
सो मैं आजकल रील्स पे एवरीवेयर आई एम सीइंग जेंटल पेरेंटिंग इज ट्रेंडिंग, बट फिर भी बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं यार मेरे बच्चा तो सुनता ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुनता है, उसको 10 बार एक ही चीज बोलनी पड़ती है। सो वेयर इज दैट लाइन बिटवीन जेंटल पेरेंटिंग एंड लैक ऑफ बाउंड्रीज?
So that's very interesting because people confuse gentle parenting with no boundaries at all.
या,
And that's where the problem arises. So when we speak about gentle parenting, it's about being kind and firm at the same time.
ओके,
So when we talk about strict or that authoritarian kind of parenting, it's about whatever the parent says, that is what has to
या
happen.
कंट्रोल,
So that is the controlling kind of parenting. And the other one is what we call the permissive or the kind parenting, where everything goes only according to the child's
Right.
wishes. So the child is the boss in the
Correct.
house. But when we speak about gentle parenting, it's not about being only kind.
ओके,
It's about being kind and firm at the same time, not fluctuating. Because most of the time, I find a kind of what is called pendulum parenting, that I take away the screen because I see that my child is watching screen for about 3-4 hours and I get panicky.
हाँ,
कि बहुत हो गया, अब तो बस अब
छीन
छीन लिया.
लिया,
And you have this huge meltdown there and there is a fight there. And then your heart says कि अरे बच्चा ही तो है, तो मैं दे देती हूँ.
ओके,
So you are becoming kind. So you are fluctuating. And this is where the child also becomes manipulative and is not going to follow whatever boundaries that you have
set.
not set before.
ओके,
So when a parent says कि मेरा बच्चा बिल्कुल सुनता नहीं है, बार बार बोलना पड़ता है, they are actually saying that my child is not obeying.
या,
And what I say is you have to get your child to listen to you. You can only invite cooperation, you cannot force your kid to obey. And that is where being kind and firm at the same time. So having that empathy, even let's take the example of screen. We say if I have a 4-year-old or 5-year-old who's asking for the screen, if I have set, and I have many parents who do this and they are very successful with this
okay,
because they have spoken to the child that this is how it's going to be. Because actually, kids love routines and boundaries. How do they sit in school the whole day without a screen? How do they follow that? Because there is a structure that kids inherently like and they stick to it also.
yeah,
Problem is that when we set boundaries, we don't follow through.
right,
And so when it comes to screen, if I tell my 4-year-old that you can watch this, you can watch it from this to this time, and after that we are going to do this. So there is a clear cut instruction. The kid is trying to going to push. All of us do that. थोड़ी देर और 5 minute, 10 minute. All this the child is going to do because that is the child's way of operating. If I'm taking away the screen, the child is going to feel miserable about it because they are enjoying or they are in the middle of something. So you can tell them that I understand what you are feeling. I understand that you are feeling frustrated or you are sad about this, but we had decided before you can do this tomorrow. So the child is also learning the concept of delayed gratification, which is very difficult today. अभी कुछ
They want
चाहिए
everything
ऑर्डर कर
instant.
दिया, अभी चाहिए अभी मिल गया. एंड पेरेंट्स आर ऑलरेडी बाइंग थिंग्स, इवन बच्चे ने मुंह से बोला भी नहीं कि उसको ये चाहिए और ऑलरेडी है घर पे.
Yeah.
तो ये सारी चीजें हैं, ये नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प द चाइल्ड इन द लॉन्ग रन.
And you know, जैसे joint families हैं, grandparents हैं, so how does that positively affect the kids' growth and development?
I think there is a lot to advantages of joint family system. Every system has its pros and cons.
Yeah.
So the pros are that trust factor is there, your own. So if you want to go somewhere, if I have to leave my child with my parents or my in-laws, I won't think twice.
Correct.
right? Because I know they care for the child, that element of love and affection and bond is there. So that is there. The fear is that they will end up giving things to the child which you have said no to.
Yes.
मोबाइल दे दिया,
Sweets
खाने
दे
में ये
दिया.
दे दिया, कहीं भी लेके चले गए, कुछ दिला दिया. All these problems are there. So, but they can contribute a lot because they do carry a lot of wisdom with them. And child, we've heard this time and again that it takes a whole village to bring up a child, because a child is not going to be shaped up only by us as parents. It's going to be shaped by grandparents, by the coach, by teacher, and so many other people that come in contact with the child. So it's our job to see that what is the kind of environment we are creating, who is the child come in contact with, what is the kind of skill and other things the kid is learning from them. So the joint family system is helpful in many ways, and it's like really reducing today. So the stress has increased a lot, also because the family constellation has changed. Grandparents are still working, they are very active, they have their own lives.
Yeah.
They are no longer the ones who are like retire होके बैठ गए और सिर्फ यही कर रहे हैं. So they have their own life.
Correct.
So in many ways things have changed. So there are families I see where grandparents are not able to completely take care of their of the grandchild because kids are very active and
Yeah.
it's exhausting. So here is where like nannies have become popular today, because nanny के पास completely छोड़ के जाना डर लगता है mother को. लेकिन if grandparents are around, she takes away the brunt of the physical aspect of doing things for the child because she has been trained.
Yeah.
And grandparents are there to supervise, so trust factor रहता है.
Correct.
So there are lots of ways and means of taking care of the child in a safe way and staying connected
Correct.
to the extended family.
So how can parents create that environment around the child जहाँ पे बच्चा emotionally safe feel करे, heard feel करे, naturally confident grow करे?
I think here is where it's very important to listen to your child.
Yeah.
And not brush them away whenever they are expressing themselves or coming to you with certain things. For us, it may be something very small or silly, but for the child, it's very important.
True.
And yes, there are times where you might be busy doing something very important, but when you convey to the child that I understand that whatever you are saying is very important and I want to give my full attention to you, I'm not able to do this now. Can we do it after some time? If it's not something very urgent. So that really makes the child feel very heard and says that, okay, even if my mom or my dad, they don't have the time right now, they will come back to it. And you can always, but you must keep that promise that you have made to the child.
Right.
So it's important to start early because you are setting the foundation.
True.
There will come a time where kids are not going to want to communicate.
Yeah. But I
Right?
think
Everything.
parents को वो realize होते होते काफी बार वो time हो जाता है, time निकल जाता है
Exactly.
कि it's too late now. But I think it's never late.
It's
Start,
never too late.
yeah,
It's never too late because many times when I have parents of teenagers, I also used to do a lot of teenage counseling for almost 10, 15 years. So parents would really be scared ki, is it too late, you know, to teach the child anything or for the child to, is our communication gone or anything like that. It's never too late because it's an opportunity. It's not about being late. If you, today you realize that you want to change certain things in your relationship with your child,
do
it's
it.
always possible. Do it. Nothing is lost.
Exactly.
Nothing is lost.
Correct. And what are the biggest parenting mistakes जो parent-child relationship को damage कर सकता है?
So I think the number one mistake is you're not building that channel of communication right from the beginning. So the child should feel safe, like you said, emotionally safe, and say that no matter what I do, I can come and talk to my parents because this is one place where I'm not going to be judged. And even if I make mistakes, it is okay.
Hmm.
There's this lady who created spandex,
Okay.
and her father, every day, she and her brother, when they would come, when they would sit down for dinner, he would ask them, "What did you fail at today?"
Okay.
So that is the kind of thing she grew up with, and she talks about this insane success that she had with her brand, and the number of rejections at her idea. They thought her foolish
Hmm.
when she, and she said the only reason why I was able to cut through those negative experiences is because of what my father told me, that it's okay to fail. So even in my parenting program, one of the mantras is mistakes are opportunities to learn. They are golden, I tell them. I
Amazing.
said they are more important than anything else in this world.
Right.
So be okay with making mistakes yourself as a parent, and be okay with your child also making mistakes, because the child will know that it's all right if I have not scored this much,
Hmm.
or if I have not got this place on the badminton team, or
Hmm.
whatever it is, there is possibility. So moving from a place of everything is lost, to a place of possibility,
Hmm.
that I can
Yeah.
move ahead in life. Because today mental health problems are on the rise in teenagers and young adults. It's also because of the stress that the teenagers and adults put themselves
Hmm.
into. It's
Correct.
not just coming from outside, it's also the pressure from within
Yeah.
to be perfect and to do everything. And when you don't do that, you get depression, anxiety, and so on. That's the other part of the spectrum. So, resilience is what the child needs. So, when you speak about confidence and resilience,
Hmm.
it starts very early, and it you get small opportunities every day.
Hmm.
A simple thing like making a choice to eat a fruit or vegetable is creating confidence in the child.
Right.
Wearing a jacket, instead of you going and tying the shoelaces, and you says chalo, no problem. If I have a child who has come to the clinic, जिसने left का जूता right में पहना है, so I say wonderful. I said I know you have tried.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not about making fun of them that you did it wrong. So these are small opportunities, but they go a long way. That's why parenting is a long term game.
Hmm. You learn every day.
Every day. So think of what is the kind of individual you are trying to build.
Hmm.
What would you want them to be in the long run? And work backwards.
करेक्ट फादर्स का क्या रोल होता है एक चाइल्ड की लाइफ में
बहुत important role है fathers का. Because even before, and like I said, I'm very happy that today fathers are more involved. Not just after the baby is born, even the moment mother is pregnant, father is also equally excited. So we would want them to be more participatory in day to day taking care of the child, but everybody has their own constraints.
Hmm.
But I see that there is a lot of involvement, because fathers play a very, very important role. They teach the child many, many life skills,
Hmm.
and sharing their own journey, what they go through in their lives, helps the child to understand and learn those skills. So
Hmm.
it's not just the mother who is imparting that. So the its onus is not only on mother, it's also on the father.
Yeah.
And the bond that you create right from the beginning, I call it, one father came and told me this, that I asked him, I said, how would you describe your connection to your son?
Hmm.
He had two sons. So he said, doctor, he was in advertising. He says, doctor, Fevicol ka bond. He said, that's how it is. And that day I really understood the meaning of how important a father is
Hmm.
for a child.
Correct.
And it doesn't come automatically. Like I said, a little bit of effort is required. 20% effort, you will get 80% results. So when fathers say that I don't have time, I am very busy, I said, I do understand that, but you can look for those pockets of opportunity
Yeah.
which will connect you with the child.